Hi sis, welcome to FAB CHIC Modest. My name is Doris. I'm your host. How are you doing? So I am doing great and thank you so much for checking out my video. If this is not your first time, you're an OG here. Yeah, we old enough to have OG subscribers, right? So thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate your support. And if this is your first time, welcome to FAB CHIC Modest. And here we are sharing tips and tricks on how to be fab chic and modest at the same time on a budget. Yes, because we're all about saving our coins and make better choices, right? So for today's video, I have a haul. Yes, your sis went thrifting. What else is new? I mean, what else? Come on now. We're all here for that. So I went thrifting in a few stores around me, and the quality of blazers, the vintage blazers I got, sis. You know, I had to share the love. I had to show you what I got, and I am so excited because I'm sure you will be as well. I just love thrifting so much for all these reasons, where you find pieces that you would not find in fast fashion or even in retail stores right now. Also such original pieces with quality, with finish, with styles. You'll see for yourself, and the prices, of course. So for this video, I sourced my blazers in two different stores. So one of them is a thrift store connected to a church here in town. I'm telling you, my thrift antennas just go off sometimes. I was like, let me go check out that place. And then I'll just walk into it. It's like everything, every top $1, every bottom $1. I was like, thank you, Jesus. They wanted to sneak up on me, and I'm here. I gotcha. So I was so glad when I went there, and every blazer jacket was $1. So I got the first part of the blazers I'm going to show you for $1, sis. So the first blazer I'm going to show you is this. Oh, look at that velvet. Look at that luxurious finish. Come on, you know. From the men's section, like I always say, the best blazers are from the men's section. Trust me, sis. Look at this. Look at the color. No defects. Oh, I just love this deep black color. And I'll try it on so you can see. So yeah, $1. And actually it's such a great quality. It's made expressly for dealers. That's what the tag says. So Ralph Lauren, yes, Ralph Lauren blazer for $1 in perfect condition. Perfect. Okay, sis, look at that. And look at this. Such gorgeousness. Look at that. If you're looking to learn how to look chic in black, right here. This is like a black monochromatic look I'm giving you right now, and you can see the different textures, the colors. So here, how to look chic in black with a $1 blazer. Seriously. I look expensive and chic at the same time. Way back. It does not get any better. So let's move on to the second blazer. So for the second blazer, this is this one. Oh, I'm all into plaid. Look at this. I love me some good plaids. Houndstooth, dogstooth, you name it. So gorgeous. From the men's section again for $1. Look at this slit at the bottom. Oh my goodness. Let me see the brand. It is Austin Reed. Let me show you. Austin Reed. Oh, this is perfect. I love it so much. Oh, and it's a bit oversized because it's men's blazer, so you know the shoulders are a bit like, you know, exaggerated on my shoulders. Since if you have narrow shoulders, it's going to be so good, because this is the oversized effect that we want, right? With the shoulder pads as well. I love the lapels. I love the fake the fake pockets here, and let me try it on for you. This is how it looks. Oh yes, yes. Let me get closer so you can see. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Look at this. And the good thing is you can also like cinch it with a belt, you know, to give it more shape if you want. You can wear it relaxed. You can actually roll up the sleeves to give you a more casual and relaxed look. Look at this. You still look, you know, professional. You mean business. You just just killing it. You are killing the game with a good blazer, sis. Oh my goodness, this collection is definitely ongoing. Whew. Let me tell you, I just cannot pass on those beautiful blazers. I mean, come on, for $1, I don't care how big I have of a collection, it's coming home with me. Look at that. I love it. Oh, so good for $1. So let's talk about the third blazer now. So the third blazer I wanted to show you is this beautiful khaki safari blazer jacket. Look at that. Oh my lord, when I saw it, look at the inside lines. Men's section again. I love the pockets. It's so perfect, so perfect. It goes with anything, and of course it's a jacket, so you can wear it, you know, even in the cooler months. It can still keep you comfortable and warm, and I love it. And it's so thick. It's the quality is very impressive. And let me see if I can see the brand for this. It's nowhere to be seen, but this is definitely quality, and I'll show you how it looks on me. So look at this. Wow, don't you love the length? Don't you just love the length? Wow. The collar, the sleeves are long. This is so perfect. So good. Look at the length. This is why also I love men's jackets, because it's long and flowy. Look at this. There is a flow to it. Ah, loving it. Next up, I'm going to show you this blazer right here. And when I saw that double-breasted, goodness, look at this. Double-breasted Austin Reed. And this also was it $1? This also was $1. Yes, it's $1. And I just love that smooth gray color. And I love the buttons. The lapels are very, look at that, imposing. Look at that. And the sleeves are long. Oh, so good. So dressy. So chic. If I go back, wow. Yes, this is a win right here. For $1, yes. Oh yes. That's the last $1 blazer from the bunch. Oh, I fell in love. I told you, I just love those plaid, rich, like British looking blazers. I love it. Oh, they are so good. From the men's section again, should I even repeat that? $1, so good. There we go. And I particularly love the fact that for this blazer, the sleeves are even longer than my arms. Look at that. Yes, yes, I love that. Because if I go, yeah, you can see here. Loving that. For $1, Zara has got nothing on these blazers, I'm telling you. $1. And also, that's a great idea. Should you want to crop a blazer, instead of buying something more expensive, you buy one from the thrift store, $5, even $10. So if you can find a $1 blazer, you crop it. There you go. This will look great cropped actually. So yeah, that's turn it around. You can see. Loving it. So the next category of blazer I'll show you, this is also vintage. However, this is the normal regular prices that we use to at the thrift store. So next up we have this. It's more of a jacket, like a long jacket. Loving this. It's a long green jacket. I love the sheen of the fabric. This is from Le Suit, and this was $7.99. And I really thought it was worth it. You know how I love to tweak things and add the belt and the chunky piece of jewelry here and work my magic. So I thought this definitely fits the bill. This can be great. Like, it looks simple, but wait until I actually style it one of these days and I show you. I love the slits on the side, and this has great potential. Sis, look at this. Wow, look at this. It's giving me first lady vibe. Oh wow, this is a winner. And it's actually very long. Actually, let me see. Yeah, it goes actually below my knees. And I love the shape of it. Look at that. Look at that shape. I can actually even add a belt, you know. Oh, I love it. I mean, I loved it before, but seeing it again, it's like, yes, I scored big time. Look at that. Look at this. Feeling myself here. Oh, sis, I love it. I just love it. Let me know in the comments if you like it. And sis, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, come on now. You know, it's been like the fifth of the sixth blazer. You know you're enjoying this video. Just, you know, subscribe. Put a thumbs up. Encourage your sis over here. Leave me nice comments and we'll get the videos coming for you. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, with a brooch right here. It looks so elegant. Yes, look at that sheen. Look at that shine. Look at that. Look at this. It looks so expensive. Yes. The next blazer I wanted to show you is this vintage blazer. If you know me, other browns, of course, this is right up my alley. This is my judge. And I love the tapestry. It literally looks like a rag, like a real expensive Moroccan rag when you look at it. The lapels are so nice, and I just gravitate towards those blazers. Just when I see the color, it's like, what is that? And this is from Casual Corner, size 10. So good. This one was from the women's section. Yes, I got to the women's section, of course, as well. Sis, no one can tell me anything. Look at me prancing around here. No one can tell me anything. This is fabulous with my skin tone. Look at that. I'm dressed up. Right now, I am dressed up right now. I can go anywhere. I can go anywhere. Look at that. Work, church, meetings, events. I am classy. Wow, I love it. Oh, he's got pockets here too. Yeah, real pockets. I can belt it. You can add a thin belt as well to create some shape and cinch in your waist, or you can just let it flow. Let it flow. Oh yes. Oh, look at that. And with the flowiness of the skirt I'm wearing, oh, it's so feminine. So feminine. Look at that. Loving it. This blazer right here is a very light blazer, lightweight blazer, and from Goodwill it was $5.99. I think yellow was 50% off that day, so I'm pretty sure I got it for $3. From Sag Harbor, a lot of the vintage blazers are from Sag Harbor. I love the sleeves. I love the lamps. It's brand new, as you can see. I wonder if it's a real price here. It was 29. Oh, it was $40, and then it went down to $29.99, and I got it for $6. How many decades later? So I love the colorway. You know, it's such a soft. Actually reminds me of the H&M wildflower collection recently. I just love those soft watercolors and the flowers. I love it. So I'll try it on so you can see how it looks. So this is how it looks, sis. I just fell in love with it, relaxed. It's actually very structured. It's lightweight, but it's still structured. And if I go, yeah, further, you can see how long it is. Look at that. I love it. Like, it actually closes neatly. Just perfect. Let me try to put the button on so you can have an idea. Look at that. I just love it. I love the shape, the silhouette of it. It's almost like a lab coat almost. And I love this. I'm such an old soul. Loving all this vintage and stuff. And if you are into vintage blazers, which a lot of you guys have left me comments, you love it, you have subscribed, and I'm so thankful that, you know, we soulmates. Vintage blazers soulmates, because they are so fabulous. Look at that. There are a lot of women after my own heart out there loving vintage like me, so loving it, brand new. You can wear this over a dress, over anything. Some shorts, it's with summer, some culottes, a pair of slacks, wide leg pants, jeans, anything. Go to school, go to work. Love it. Look at that. Looking boss lady.